Something.
Erectile dysfunction, stasis of essence, and phlegm. Clinical manifestations: impotence, pain in the testes and perineum, hypogastric pain, premature graying of hair, abnormal sperm, feeling of oppression of the chest, and urethral discharge. Tongue is purple and swollen with a sticky coating. Pulse is firm and slippery. Treatment principle: invigorate blood and the essence, eliminate stasis, resolve phlegm. Points to use: spleen 4, pericardium 6, kidney 14, stomach 28, ren 3, bladder 34, liver 5, liver 3, spleen 10, stomach 40, spleen 9, ren 9, and bladder 22, all with reducing or even method. Acupuncture explanation: spleen 4 with pericardium 6 open and regulate the penetrating vessel Chongmai. The penetrating vessel is the sieve of blood and controls the essence. It is therefore important to invigorate blood and essence. Kidney 14 is a point of penetrating vessels that invigorates blood and essence. Stomach 28 results phlegm from the lower burner and the genital system. Ren 3 and bladder 34 treat the genital system. Liver 5 invigorates blood in the liver channel in the genital system. Liver 3 invigorates blood and essence. Spleen 10 invigorates blood. Stomach 40, spleen 9, Ren 9, and bladder 22 results phlegm from the lower burner. Thank you for your attention.